3 lessons from the book, 12 Rules for Life by Jordan Peterson. Rule number 6, set your house in perfect order before you criticize the world. It's easy to look around at society's problems and feel overwhelmed or to blame external factors for our own struggles. You might catch yourself asking why things are so unfair or why life seems so hard. But this rule challenges us to look inward first. Lesson 1. Recognize your own role in your problems. Often the issues we face stem from our own actions or inactions. Lack of preparation, poor decisions, laziness, and a deficit in motivation or discipline can all lead to personal turmoil. Acknowledging our own responsibility in these matters is the first step toward meaningful change. Lesson 2. Stop doing what you know is bad for you. Deep down, most of us know what we should or shouldn't be doing. The hard part is acting on this knowledge, whether it's quitting a bad habit, addressing a negative behavior, or making a lifestyle change. Taking that first step is crucial. As you begin to solve these fundamental problems, you'll likely find that many of your larger issues start to resolve themselves. Lesson 3. Tackle problems head-on. Avoiding or ignoring problems only leads to more complications. A simple example is a car that isn't serviced regularly. Neglect it and it might break down when you need it most. By dealing with issues as they arise, you can prevent them from spiraling into bigger ones that make your life unnecessarily complicated. Are you ready to take control of your life and stop despairing over the state of the world? Consider what changes you can make today to clean up your own life. Share your thoughts or a commitment you're making in the comments below. Remember, the journey to a better world begins with the individual steps we take in improving our own lives.